Torrance, this is the basement of the house. We're getting there anyway. This was, we called this when we first bought it, the Red Shag House. And as you can see, we kept the bar down here. We updated the colors. Still not quite done down here, but fresh carpet, painted the walls. I'll take you upstairs just to kind of give you a show of what's going on here. This is where the kitchen was. We knocked down that wall, so it's a open concept here, going right out to the porch. So again, this way from the cabinets. Nice shaker cabinets here. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Still working on it. Bedroom 3. Bedroom 3. There we go, sorry. I'll take you outside on this real quick. This is the outside of the house here. Let's see if I can get a better shot. There it is. Vinyl. I think we did a new roof on that too. Pretty sure we did actually. Vinyl. Take a walk around here. Still a lot of touch-up stuff they got to do here, but it's definitely come along quite a bit. Out back. So there you have it. It's it's coming along.